Here's a quick look at using Doctopus and Goobric to score an essay with a rubric. I've already put the assignment into Google Classroom and I have some demo students. I've already scored one. So I am going to look for a new submission in Google Classroom because I had another student add their rubric. So I'm going to click in there. So what has happened is my new submission turned up right here, my demo 20. And I have the link to their essay, and then I also have the Goobric link. So I'm going to click on that, and it will let me access a dual screen where I'll see the essay on the bottom, and I see my Goobric rubric up across the top. So this is just a sample paper that I dropped in there. As you can see, my rubric, I have my categories and I have my score, and then I have the little boxes. So I'm just going to go, for the sake of being quick, I'm going to go through, I'm going to write comments. They're all going to add together. I could put under format, but I'm just going to add my comments. You'll see how those are, how students see them. Great job with formatting. They didn't have any errors there. I'm going to look at their thesis statement. I'm going to give it a 3 here. It's fairly easy to understand, located in the intro paragraph. And I'm just going to add a little comment here. Work on thesis. And I'm going to remind them of something we talked about in class. Remember movie trailer. Okay, I can also deal with this. I can also do some commenting within the paper if I want to. All right, so then I'm going to go to intro. I'm just going to say 4. I'm going to comment on that. I'm just going to drop some stuff in here for the sake of what it looks like. Conclusion. I'll do another comment on a conclusion. Work on a powerful conclusion. And then mechanics. It's pretty good. Okay, so I can do a final audio, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on the record audio comment. This paper is excellent. Overall, you've done a great job of combining your thoughts and ideas and putting forth your thesis statement and following along with the themes we've been discussing in class. So overall, excellent job. And then I'm going to say I can review this and I can trash it, or I can upload it to Drive, which I'm going to go ahead and upload it to Drive. And then I can see that I have my little audio there. I can email the scores, and I'm going to go ahead and hit submit, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like from the student side. First, I'll jump back over here on my spreadsheet where my scores are in there and my comments. Also, because I resubmitted this a couple times, say I was doing rough draft, these could change. So then we're going to go over to our student account. So here's my one demo student. He got an email with the rubric assessment, and you can see there's the assignment, and the score is embedded, and you can see how it relates. And then you can see my comments, and then they can listen to my audio. And then I also have another student. This was demo student 14, same thing. This is how they would see it in their email. Here are my comments, and then they can hear the audio. So we'll just jump on that so I can show you what that looks like. And it is coming from Drive. I have a lot of good ideas in this paper, and I can see that you connected with the text and that you're being very thoughtful about it. Work on your thesis statement, tighten that up a little bit, that will guide your paper, and then get some really... So there you go. There's a quick look at Doctopus and Goobric. So Doctopus is an add-on. I click on add-ons in a sheet, and Goobric is up here, and it is Chrome extension up here. So those two things work together, and they do work with Google Classroom.